Impressive 4-bedroom, office, 3 full bath, 3-car garage, pool and pond front home in the beautiful, gated Seville Chase subdivision. This home shows true owner's pride with the meticulous care and maintenance the original owners have provided. Newer roof in 2019, Trane AC in 2016, solar heated pool resurfaced with Pebble Tech in 2019, enclosure rescreened in 2018 and new stainless appliances in kitchen, including Bosch dishwasher and double oven. Kitchen cabinets, 42-inch, are tastefully refinished and has beautiful granite and coordinating backsplash. The bathrooms all have newer refinished cabinets, quartz countertops, fixtures, lighting and mirrors. Exquisite touches throughout including plantation shutters, crown molding and larger baseboards. The master retreat has a sitting area with picture-perfect views of the pool and pond. Master bathroom boasts elegant garden tub, large walk-in shower and his and her sinks. Bedrooms are triple split, excellent for visitors, teens or in-laws. This is the opportunity you have been waiting for. Make this fabulous home yours today.